Welcome to LogikLand.com. Are you looking for a highly profitable, untapped KDP niche? Today, I'm going to show you how to create a complete, professional, mixed puzzle book for kids in just a few minutes. Mixed puzzle books are massive bestsellers on Amazon right now. Let's dive in. On the LogikLand dashboard, we'll click on the Kids tab and select Kids Adventure to create our mixed puzzle book. First up, we choose our book settings. LogikLand supports multiple languages like English, French, Spanish, and German. We'll stick with English. Next, let's type in our book title, My Super Fun Puzzle Book for Kids. We'll leave the page size at the standard KDP size of 8.5 by 11 inches and click Next. Now we select what goes inside. Since this is a mixed book, we're going to select Sudoku, word search, and mazes. Click Next. Here is where LogikLand outshines everything else. Instead of just one difficulty, we are going to click the Multi-Ages tab. This allows us to create a progressive book that gets harder as the child learns. For Sudoku, we'll add 10 easy 4x4 puzzles for ages 4 to 6, 10 medium 6x6 puzzles for ages 6 to 8, and 10 harder 9x9 puzzles for ages 8 to 10. We do the exact same thing for the word searches. We can set the grid sizes and even pick specific vocabulary categories, like animals or nature, so the words match the age group. Finally, we set up our mazes for the 3 different age groups, adjusting the difficulty from very easy up to intermediate. You can even choose between square or tubular mazes. Let's click Next. In the Layout section, we have a crucial feature. Check these boxes right here to automatically include how to play pages for the Sudoku, word search, and mazes. Parents love this on Amazon, and it makes your book look incredibly premium. Hit Generate Book and let the software do the work. Boom! Our entire 80-page book is generated. Here is our title page and our instruction pages. Now, let me show you how powerful this design editor is. Let's click on a Sudoku page. I want this to look kid-friendly, so I'll change the title background to a bright purple, make the text bold, and give the title box nice rounded corners. But I don't want to do this 30 times, so I just click this Synchronize button right here. Instantly, LogikLand applies my custom design to every single Sudoku page in the book. It is a massive time saver.
Let's move down to the word searches. I'll select the title, change the color to a nice blue, and give the word search grid itself a rounded border to make it look smooth and professional. Click Synchronize, and all word searches are done. Finally, let's look at the mazes. I'll make the title green. And look at this, I can even click on the start and finish dots of the maze and change their colors to bright green and red. Hit Synchronize one more time, and our puzzle pages are 100% complete. Let's scroll down to the Solutions section. Yes, LogikLand automatically generates and formats all the answer keys. Just like the puzzles, you have total control here. I'll add a colored background to the Sudoku answer titles. For the word search answers, I can even change the color of the line that circles the hidden words. I'll make it red so it really pops. Click Synchronize, and your entire answer key is perfectly formatted. Our book looks incredible. Let's download it. Go to the top right, click Download, and select As PDF. Let's open it up and take a look. As you can see, we have a high-resolution, perfectly aligned, professional PDF. We have our instructions, our custom-designed Sudoku, word searches, and mazes, all separated by age difficulty, plus a clean answer key at the back. This file is 100% ready to upload directly to Amazon KDP right now. But wait, there's one more game-changing feature. Go back to Download and select as PPTX. When you open this file in Microsoft PowerPoint, you will see that every single element is completely editable. The text, the grids, the shapes, you can move them around, add custom cute clip art for kids, or add your own page borders right inside PowerPoint. You have absolute creative freedom. Finally, click Save Project, and your book is safely stored in your dashboard to edit later. Creating highly profitable KDP Kids books has never been this fast or this easy. Click the link in the description to try LogikLand today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more KDP tutorials. Happy publishing!